Milk is one of the most consumed foods in the world, but have you ever wondered how fresh milk reaches your home safely and hygienically? From farms to factories, milk goes through several scientific and quality-controlled processes before it is packed and delivered. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern milk processing plant and show you the complete step-by-step journey of milk, from raw milk collection to final packaging. So, watch till the end to discover some amazing dairy industry facts. The milk processing journey begins at dairy farms. Fresh milk is collected from healthy cows and buffaloes using automated milking machines to avoid contamination. Immediately after milking, the milk is cooled to around 4 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth. Then, it is transported to the processing plant in insulated stainless steel tankers to maintain freshness and quality. Once the milk arrives at the factory, it goes through strict quality tests. Samples are checked for fat content, protein levels, acidity, adulteration, harmful bacteria. If the milk does not meet quality standards, it is rejected. Only approved milk moves forward for processing. Next, the milk is filtered to remove dirt, dust, or any physical impurities. Then it passes through a clarifier machine, which uses centrifugal force to separate unwanted particles. This ensures the milk is completely clean before further processing. Pasteurization is one of the most important steps in milk processing. The milk is heated to around 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, then rapidly cooled. This process kills harmful bacteria while preserving nutrients, taste, and freshness. Pasteurization makes milk safe for human consumption and increases its shelf life. After pasteurization, the milk goes through homogenization. In this process, milk fat is broken into tiny particles and evenly distributed throughout the liquid. This prevents cream from separating and gives milk a smooth, uniform texture. Different types of milk contain different fat levels. Using advanced machines, fat content is adjusted to produce full cream milk, low-fat milk, skimmed milk. This step ensures consistency and meets consumer preferences. The processed milk is cooled again and stored in large chilled stainless steel tanks under hygienic conditions. Temperature and quality are continuously monitored to maintain freshness. Now comes the packaging stage. Milk is packed automatically into plastic pouches, bottles, cartons. The packaging machines are fully automated and operate in sterile environments to avoid contamination. Each pack is labeled with manufacturing date, expiry date, batch number. After packaging, the milk is stored in cold rooms and loaded into refrigerated vehicles. From here, it is distributed to supermarkets, shops, and homes, ensuring fresh milk reaches consumers every day. So, this is how milk is processed in a modern milk processing plant, a perfect blend of technology, hygiene, and quality control. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing manufacturing process videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.